Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. Well, I have just a short flip through here of the freebies that coordinate with the mushrooms from Days Gone By Mega Pack series that I recently uploaded to my Etsy shop. There is Kit 1, 38 journal and pattern pages, and Kit 2, 34 pages of embellishments, ephemera, labels, fussy cuts, and more, and labels and labels and labels. There's a ton of labels. And now we have, I believe this is 6 pages. I think so, 6 or 7 pages of freebies that coordinate with it. So we have more labels like we need them. However, look at the cool shape of these. I really love them. And they're in every shade of the kit. So yeah, you'll have all the labels you need. Really cool, large, medium, small, and tiny. And then we have the same labels, but with this really cool old script in them. So that's super fun. And then we have one of the backgrounds from the kit, and then this sort of like a faux stamped kind of look with all this black line art of mushrooms and numbers and stamps and words and yeah, all kinds of cool things. Really like how that turned out. Great to just sort of rip down and turn into tags or journal cards or such, but really neat as a page too in your journal. This is the exact same page, guys, except for it's just in the browns and the neutrals and not the greens. Then we have some really cool leaves. Look how beautiful that coordinates. Just in browns. There's a page like this, but it's in the greens and the browns in the journal pages. But this freebie here is just in the browns. And then there's a really cool dark brown stripe that coordinates with it. So those are your 6 pages of freebies that coordinate with the mushrooms from Days Gone By series. You can find the series links to my Etsy shop in the description box below, as well as the flip throughs on YouTube, as well as the Kofi link for this freebie, and all the links for my design team that will be banging out some really cool projects in the next little while using this series. So be sure to hop on over to their channels and subscribe as well so you get the notification. And that's it. That is the freebie for this time around. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.